Is there any lesson that's remaining for anyone? Or does somebody wants to revise any lesson? Harmeen, Duha, and Mustafa.
Yes, ma'am. Revision lessons are there.
Tell me
For
which
revision lessons are
Harmeen, please put on your mic and speak.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which lesson? Tell me.
I think square and square roots something. Cube or cube. No. Square and square roots only.
Okay. And others? Do one thing, children.
Ma'am, linear
Yeah,
equations is a little tricky for me, so I feel like I want to revise the chapter.
linear equations, I think I also wanted to revise for you all because I see that many students are making mistakes in linear equations. Does somebody else also want to revise linear equations? Mustafa Kumar? No?
Ma'am, I think we also have to revise this. I think understanding quadrilaterals and data handling.
Understanding quadrilaterals, exactly.
Yeah, ma'am, understanding quadrilaterals is a little hard too.
Children, let's do one thing. Let's start with linear equations. Okay, let's start with this lesson. And then we shall come to the further lessons as well. Okay, or you want to do understanding quadrilaterals? I think linear equations has two first.
Okay.
But ma'am, this is not there for my exam, this chapter.
Linear equation is coming for how many of you? Is it coming for you, Kumar?
No, ma'am.
And Mustafa?
No, ma'am.
Oh, it's not coming for anyone. And what about understanding quadrilaterals?
Ma'am, it's coming for me.
And others? Kumar?
Ma'am, I don't know about that chapter, ma'am, for our coming PA2.
Mustafa?
No, ma'am, it's not coming.
It's coming for Harmeen and Duha. Okay, so Mustafa, is there any lesson that you want to do?
No, ma'am.
So children, let's do understanding quadrilaterals then. Okay, I'll do linear equations also. No worry. But first, let's do understanding quadrilaterals. Then we'll do linear equations. So now in understanding quadrilaterals, see what you have is first of all an introduction to quadrilateral. Who will define you what is a quadrilateral? Who will define a
A
quadrilateral?
polygon with 4 sides.
A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Very good. So what are the meaning of convex and concave polygons now? If I just talk about polygons, polygon is of 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, any number of sides. That's a polygon. So what is the meaning of convex and concave polygon? Nobody knows?
Ma'am, in a convex polygon, when you try to connect any diagonal with each other, it's always 180 degree, like the angles are always 180 degree or less. But if you connect the diagonals of concave polygons, then the angles will be more than the diagonals will be outside of the polygon.
Yeah, exactly. So what is meaning of convex and concave? Convex is whenever you're drawing the diagonals, you get a diagonal which is lying inside of the figure. Well, for a concave, you get a diagonal which is not lying inside. It's actually outside to the figure. Right? That's the meaning of convex and concave. Next you have is what's a regular and irregular polygon. Okay, tell me.
Regular polygons are those polygons.
Equal sides and angles.
Let Mustafa
While
answer.
irregular polygon. Okay.
Regular polygons are those polygons with all angles which are equal, and all angles are equal, and all and the length of sides are equal.
Exactly. So all angles on all sides are equal to one another. While for irregular polygons, what happens is
They're not equal to each other.
but can we have some of them equal?
Yeah.
For example,
Rectangle.
a rectangle, exactly. So rectangle, what happens is you have two pairs of opposite sides are equal. So one pair is equal, but all of them are not equal. Like for example, a square, all of them are equal, right? Then children, closed figures. Now this question we discussed a lot of times. I do want to do first exercise now. If you have doubts, so you can ask me from the first exercise.
Mom, like in my reader, the questions are a little different. So,
Duha, I've told you now that many times that send me the PDF of your read. Make
Mom,
PDF
I
of all
sent
the
it to you
lessons
long
that are
back.
coming in your exam. Make a PDF of
Mom,
all
I
the.
sent.
What are you saying?
Mom, before also when we did understanding quadrilaterals, at that time I had sent you my the PDF of my reader.
Yeah, I think you sent me, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll practice from there as well. No worries. So next is children now finding the sum of the measure of x. What happens is, what is the property that the sum of all exterior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to how much? Is equals to
360.
360 degrees.
360.
Okay, so sum of all angles, external angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, there are two angles, external angle, internal angle. Okay, who will tell me what is the relationship between external and internal angles?
Mom, the sum of the exterior and interior angle is 180 degrees. They are complementary.
They're complementary, exactly. Very good. What happens is they're complementary or supplementary. What is this? What is the meaning of complementary angles?
Means the sum of their angles are 180.
And what is the meaning of supplementary?
The sum of their angles are 90 degrees.
Tell me, Mustafa, you tell me, is Dua correct? Is this only the meaning of complementary and supplementary?
Some supplementary angles are equal to another, right?
Are equal to one another? No. Nothing is equal over here. Children, okay, linear pairs are supplementary or complementary?
Mom, complementary.
No, Duha, you are confused. And children, nobody of you knows it. Nobody is correcting.
Supplementary because it's 180 degree.
Exactly, very good. See, children, you have the meaning of complementary is 90. The meaning of supplementary is 180. I told you the trick also as far as I remember. Complementary starts with C, supplementary starts with S. C is smaller than S. That means it comes before S. Similarly, 80 comes before, 90. 90 comes before 180. So C for 90 degree and S for 180 degree. How will you remember if you get confused? Just remember, you have four things. C, S, 90, 180. C comes before S, 90 comes before 80. So C is a match for 90 degree. Okay. So now, linear pairs are what now? Linear pairs are supplementary, not complementary. Now, in this question, I was telling you what is the relationship between external and internal angle. Now, who will tell me, are they complementary or supplementary?
Supplementary.
Supplementary, not complementary. Right? Kumar, you're not focused in the class.
No, ma'am. I'm
No,
listening.
you're not
I'm
focused.
listening.
Okay, tell me, what did I say the meaning of complementary and supplementary?
Ma'am, you just now explained the short trick of complementary and supplementary, ma'am.
Okay, can you explain us the trick?
Ma'am, you took for complementary it's under 90, and for I think for supplementary it's under 180.
It doesn't mean under. It means the sum of them is 90 and sum of them is 180.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Now the question says, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose external angle is a measure of phi. So children, number of sides and the external angle, what is the relationship? Tell me, what is the relationship between number of sides and external angle?
The exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. The sum of the exterior angle.
I'm talking about number of sides and exterior angle. Kumar, you tell us.
Mom, when you multiply the number of sides and the exterior angle, you get 360.
Yes, when you multiply both of them, you get 360. That means number of sides, if you want, you can calculate by dividing 360 by external angle. External angle, if you want, you can get by dividing 360 by number of sides. Got it?
Yes, Mom.
Yes. So find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Number of sides is equal to 360 by 45. So 360 by 45 is 8. Right? Now children, you can try question number B. Just do the B part.
Ma'am, done.
So children, what happens over here is you just add all of the numbers. So this is 90. So you do 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus x and then plus again 90 plus again 90. Right? So what is the answer, children? What is the value of x that you're getting?
Ma'am, 40.
40 degree? Okay. Okay. All of you is getting 40.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now children, next is do fifth question. Just do fifth question, children.
Ma'am, I didn't understood the question.
Children, the question says that is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? That means, can you form a regular polygon whose exterior angle is measuring 20 degrees? So what we'll do is just calculate number of sides. So the number of sides, the formula is
Exterior
360
angle is
divided
equal
by
to
exterior angle. So
360
get
divided
360
by
divided by 22. And if 360 by 22 is integer, that means it is possible. And if it is not an integer, that means it is not possible.
Okay, ma'am.
The next part says, can it be an interior angle? So to check if it can be interior angle, children, if 22 is exterior, so the corresponding interior angle is how much?
Ma'am, 180 minus 22.
180 minus 22. So just calculate the interior angle
158
and
degrees.
no, 1 second, Jerry. Now interior angle becomes 22. So the exterior angle becomes 180 minus 22. Then calculate number of sides again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just do it like this.
Mom, for A, I got no, mom. Mom, like
AI,
it's not possible to have a regular polygon with
that's
measure
correct.
of
For
each
A, it will
angle
be
as
no.
22.
And what about for B? For B also, children, it will be no. Because when you get,
Yes, ma'am.
when you
Ma'am,
say 22 is interior, so exterior becomes 180 minus 22. So number of sides become 360 divided by 229. Simple. Now, next children, it becomes what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? So this question we've discussed. Wait, we'll solve a good question. Children, do one thing, try this example once.
ma'am, can you show that question which was in that exercise?
Yeah,
Ma'am, can you like explain it?
can you say again?
Ma'am, this can you explain the sixth one, the E part?
Minimum interior angle. So minimum interior angle is 60 degree. See, why is minimum interior angle 60 degree? Basically, see, minimum number of sides that's possible is 3. Right? The minimum number of sides that's possible is 3. So, with reference to 3 sides, children, what is the minimum angle that's possible? 60 degree. That is the case of
Okay, ma'am.
triangle. Equilateral triangle. Right? Then similarly, maximum exterior angle is 120. Okay? Now, children, come to this example and try this.
Done.
What about others?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so children, the question is now what is the sum of measures of exterior angles? X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. So what kind of figure is this? This is a regular hexagon. Now it's written regular, children. That means all sides and all angles are equal. That means the number of sides. One second. The exterior angle will be 360 degree divided by what number? How many number of sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you get 60 degree. Right? So you get 60 degree. Understood? So now that becomes your exterior angle. Then the question is X, Y, Z, P, Q, R equal? So yes, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, all of them are equal. And why are they equal, children? Now you should know this thing that for a regular polygon, number of sides is equal, the angle of internal angles is also equal, measure of internal angle. So children, we know interior angle and exterior angle are related to one another, right? So if interior angles are equal, that means exterior are also equal. Because for all of them, you are doing 180 minus interior, 180 minus interior. Are you understanding the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is, what is the measure of each exterior angle and interior angle? So what is the measure of each exterior angle? 60 degree.
60
And what is the
degree.
measure of each interior angle? 180 minus 60, so
120.
120. Same thing, children, can we do for a octagon and pentagon also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. For octagon, what is the answer?
Ma'am, you mean exterior angle or interior angle of
Both.
that?
Both.
Ma'am, for each exterior angle, it's 45 degrees. And for
What is an
the
octagon?
what, ma'am?
What
It's
is an
an
octagon?
Eight-sided figure.
eight-sided polygon.
External exterior angle 360 divided by how much? 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 4 is 32, 8 into 5 is 40, so 45 degree. Interior angle becomes
135 degrees.
180 minus 45. So that becomes 135 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For a regular 20
Yes,
guns,
ma'am.
you do 360 degree divided by 20.
Divided by 20.
18 degree is the exterior angle. Interior angle will be 180 minus 80. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This thing is clear now. Next, children, kind of quadrilaterals we have trapezium. Guys, properties we've discussed. I'll not repeat it. If somebody wants to have a repetition of properties, you can tell me for that particular. Let's come to questions. Do question number 3, children. Question is telling you have to find the perimeter of PQ. So children, you see PQ is how much? PQ is 12 centimeter. QR is how much? 7 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. Children, this also becomes 12 because opposite sides are equal. This becomes 7. Perimeter becomes 12 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7. Add them, get your perimeter. Okay. Now children, next is
Yes, ma'am.
angles of a parallelogram. Angles of parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles, the sum is 180. So based on this property, come to this question. You have to find the values of x, y, and z. It's given to you. Angle B is how much? 100 degree. That's it. Find x, y, and z. Use linear pair. Use adjacent angle properties. Use opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. Linear pair sum is 180. Adjacent angles sum is 180. Okay. Do example number 4, children.
Then
Yes, completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't got the Z.
We didn't need Z. Okay, no worries. We'll discuss. So, children, what is the value of x now?
Ma'am, value of
100
x is 100.
then
100.
100
X is 100. Why? Because
opposite angles.
opposite angles. Okay, now what is Z and Y? What happens is, children, see, this is 100 degree. So, and 100 degree plus Z is how much? 180 degree. Why? Because, children, they are adjacent angles. So, Z is 180 degrees minus 100 degree. That's 80 degree. This angle is 80 degree. Now, what is the measure of y? Y can be found in a number of ways. You can say y is equals to x. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. You can say y is equals to 100 degree. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. You can say y plus z is 180. So that is why it's equal to 100 degree. So you see that y can be found either by x, by z, or by 100 as well. Right? So, understood, Kumar? You were not able to go for Z1, right?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Next is, see now you have a statement, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. So then come to example number 5 and attempt this. This is a parallelogram ring. If angle M, just forget this M, this angle R. M means measure. Okay, but so that you don't get confused. So this M means measure. This means measure. Don't have to really write that. You can skip it as well. Angle R is 70 degree. Find all of that. Okay, so this is also a very easy question. Attempt this question, children.
Then
Completed. So then again, you get the answer very easily. This is 70 degree. So the opposite of 70 is also 70. This becomes 180 minus 70, 110. This also becomes 110. Right? Now we come to properties for diagonals. Property for diagonals is basically they're bisecting each other. Okay, that's it. So for bisection, come to this one. There is a parallelogram HELP. It is given that OE is 4, HL is 5 more than PE. So you remember we discussed this. Now HL is 5 more than PE means, okay, which is greater? HL is greater or PE? HL is 5 more. So HL is greater. So what you do is HL is greater by a factor of how much? By a factor of 5. So HL is equals to PE plus 5. Right? So children,
Yes,
try this
ma'am.
question as well. 5 questions.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, children, completed.
Yes.
Okay. So what happens over here is, see, OE is given to you as 4. So first of all, write the measure for O. That's 4. Now children, OE is 4, so PO is also 4 only. Right? Why? Because we know the diagonals are bisecting each other at the point of intersection. So at point O, it's being bisected. That means divided into half. So PO plus OE is equals to PE, and the value of PE becomes 4 plus 4, that's 8 centimeters. Right? Right, children? Now what happens is,
Yes.
it was given to us that HL is 5 more. So the measure of HL becomes 5 plus 8 centimeter. So that becomes 13 centimeter. But now children, HO, see now, HL is being again bisected at the point O. So the measure of OH becomes how much? Half of 13. So that becomes 6.5 centimeter. Right? Now I suppose you must be finding these questions easier. Yes or no,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Or are you finding difficulty?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So come to this question. Let's do. Okay, you have to find the value of x and y. Do question number 3.
Done, ma'am.
So children, let's discuss then. Tell us the solution to how.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Yes, to our technique, what's the solution? What's the value of x, y, and z?
Ma'am, angle x and z is equal to sorry, ma'am, angle x is equal to 90 degrees.
Very good. Why? Because this and this angle are vertically opposite.
Yeah, ma'am, they're bisecting. They're bisectors.
Then y and z,
Ma'am, angle y is 60 degree.
y
Angle y and z is 60 degrees.
is also very good. So if you apply the angle sum property, so you get 90 plus 30 plus y is 180. So y is equals to 180 minus 120 plus 60 degree, right? And z is also 2 degree. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, I have a question in my reader.
yes, Suha.
Ma'am, but I didn't understand it.
What are you saying?
Ma'am, there was a question in my reader, but I didn't understand it.
Okay, tell me the question number. Huh?
Ma'am, it's page 214. 214.
One second, Suha. Yes, page number
214. 214.
Okay. Question number 6 or 7?
No, ma'am. Example 7. Yes, ma'am.
See, the question says prove that a regular polygon has 5 sides if its exterior angle. I think we did this question before.
Yes, ma'am. But then
No problem.
I forgot how to solve it.
Is 2/3 its interior angle. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then can I suppose the number of sides is n?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's suppose number of sides is n. Right? Now what happens, children? Can you tell me what is the sum of all exterior angle becomes?
360.
Right? Sum of exterior angle becomes 360 degree. So now, children, what is the measure of each exterior angle?
360 divided by n. Number of sides of 5.
360 divided by n. Children, this is the measure of each exterior angle, right? This much has everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, what is the measure of each interior angle? Interior angle is equals to how much? That's supposed to be 180 minus 360 by n. See, children, what is interior angle and exterior angle? The property is interior angle plus exterior angle is 180. So interior angle becomes 180 minus 360 by n.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is given to you that, so you have exterior angle and you have interior angle. It's given to you that exterior angle is 2/3 interior angle. So right now, exterior angle is 2/3 of interior angle. Exterior angle is equals to 2/3 of interior angle. So just solve this equation now. 360 by n is equals to 2/3. So can I take 180 common from here? Just take 180 common, so I left with 1 minus. What is left over here? 180 into 2 is 360, right? 2 by n. So this becomes 360 by n is equals to 360 by 3. 2 into 180 is 360 into n minus 2 by n. 360 and 360 cancel. 1 by n is equals to n minus 2 by n, 3n. N into n and n cancel. 3 goes over here into cross multiply. 3 is equals to n minus 2. The value of n is 3 plus 2. That's 5. Okay. How do you do it? Number of sides is n. Sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. Find the measure of exterior angle. That's 360 by n. Find the measure of interior angle also. 180 minus exterior angle. Then satisfy the equation. That's it. And find the value of n. So all of you can take a screenshot of this question. Just take a screenshot of the question.
Done, ma'am.
Shall I scroll?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Then